This is the easiest cookie recipe that you can ever make. It is coconut cookies, and you need three major ingredients. Even as a beginner, you can make this cookie recipe at home. It is so crunchy and enjoyable. We are using icing sugar, which you need to sift so that you can take out any bit of lumps. Add in your soft butter. I had to melt my butter in the microwave. I think my butter became a bit too soft, but the idea is that your butter should not be hard so that it will be easy for you to mix your butter with your icing sugar. You can mix with your hand mix or your hand whisk or your hand mixer. Add in any flavor of choice, coconut flavor, but I use vanilla flavor. Add in your desiccated coconut. You will find your desiccated coconut in any bakery store or any shopping mall. Just check the baking section. You will find your desiccated coconut. Add in your flour in batches. Don't worry, the detailed ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. I'm sifting my flour into my butter in batches because I want to make sure that I mix my flour thoroughly into my butter. Now I'm going to add in the second batch of my flour, and that is it. It is so easy, guys, so easy. Now, after sifting my flour into my butter, I'm going to go on now to fold in my flour. Then I'm going to keep my dough in the fridge. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe, do like and share, do comment. Tell me if you love Debbie's Kitchen recipe, and see, you can try this cookie recipe at home. Even if you do not add coconuts, it is going to come out so yummy. Keep in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes because your dough, since your butter was soft, your dough is going to be a bit soft. But keeping it in the fridge will make it easy for you to work with your dough. Some of you complain that when you make your cookie, it comes out nice, but you struggle with the dough. It's because you did not keep your dough in the fridge. Three ingredients cookie recipe. You need to keep your dough in the fridge because your butter was soft before baking. It will make your dough to be a bit soft. 15 to 30 minutes in the fridge, you are good to go. Now you can see our dough that was a bit soft. You can see how hard it feels now, making it easy for me to roll and work with. Flour your surface and roll your dough. The Your dough should be a bit thick, not so thin. Very important because you do not want your cookie to start falling apart. The dough is already fragile, so I just made sure that my dough was a bit thick. This is the design I made in my cookie. Guys, get creative with your cookie. You do not need a cookie cutter. My fork made this unique design for me, and if I didn't tell you that I didn't use a cookie cutter for this recipe, you will say no, it's a lie. So get creative with anything you have in your kitchen to make a unique design on your cookie recipe. Anything that can cut out round circle for you, even if it's an empty container of milk that you've used before, can cut out round circle for you, or any maybe sweet corn empty can. Make do with it. Now we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Please do not leave it for more than 20 minutes if you do not want your cookies to get burnt. And this is the yumminess you got at the end of the day. Come on, thumbs up this video to like and share. Tell me if you're going to be trying out this recipe, and see you in my next one. God bless you.